Hey YouTube fam, this is Ken with LearningZen. Thanks for watching. Camtasia just dropped their 2023 version, and as you know, with a new version comes new features. In this video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite new features. Can I say what it is first? Thanks. In this video, I'm going to show you corner pinning in Camtasia 2023. Here we are inside Camtasia 2023, and I have a video here that I want to put into this image on the back on this green screen. I want this video to play on this laptop. So if I drag this over like this and then try and resize or move things around, you can see it's just not going to line up. So now with the new corner pinning feature, we can make it all line up nicely. So all we're going to do is we're going to go up to the top of our toolbar here, right next to your canvas size and your cropping is the new feature, corner pin mode. So you just click corner pin mode and move your pins around. So you can move your corners and skew your image a bit or skew your video so that it fits in. Skew your image or video so that it fits where you need it to be. And if you're someone that works with mock-ups or if you work with templates a lot, this is like a really great feature. So let me take a look there. All right, so we need to make this, bring this up a little bit. And you're just grabbing your corners and dragging them where you want them to go. And then you bring this up a little bit. And you just gotta kind of keep checking to make sure you're covering your green screen back there. And there we go. And if I just play this now, you'll have a video playing right there on the laptop. So that is the new corner pinning mode in Camtasia 2023. If you like this video or any of the videos on our channel, why don't you go ahead and give us a like, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We'll be coming out with new features every week. Until next time, remember, laugh more and learn more. See ya.